Does your dryer not turn off whenever you open it? Well, that sucks. It's probably your switch. So we're going to fix the switch right there. So we're going to make the first 360 repair video on a dryer, I think, in the world. How to repair your switch. First off, you need a new switch. $6.88 on Amazon. That's all you need. So step one is take out your lint filter. Looks like we need to clean it, but pull that out. And step one here after that, I guess it's still step two. We're going to unscrew these two screws. Don't lose your two screws. Alright, I'm putting them in my good old trusty magnetic bowl. Alright, so there's the switch we're going to be putting in. Step two is we're going to pop this top off here, which is not too complicated. So let's pop the top. All you need is something with a little bit of leverage here. So let me walk past here. I'm going to do this side right here. There we go, there's one side. And big screwdriver here. Pop that on the other side. So basically, next thing is we got to lift this lid up. And you can have an assistant do it for you. So I got my dad, he's going to hold this up, or maybe we're going to rig something. This might be good enough. Here we go. Now I'm going to, let's see. Right here is where your switch is. It connects right here. So basically you just got to disconnect this. Try to get both sides. Disconnect it. Might need to pry it, so let me get another little screwdriver here. Shit. Where the f***'s all the flatheads? All these screwdrivers missing. Alright, so I'm going to give this a little pry here. Loosen it. A little pry on this side. That's the hardest part. Alright, so now that pulls off. So now we got to take this switch off here. So I'm going to pop this off here so I can get the switch off. Maybe. Alright, so that's what's holding the switch in down there. Now we're going to come in here, open the door. And can you see in there? Let's see. Alright, so next thing we got to do is unscrew. There's two screws right here to hold the switch in. So we're going to undo one. Alright, we got one. And we lost it. Beautiful. And don't do that. We got number two. Lost it down in the hole there. So we gotta make someone hold this up here so we don't lose it. Alright, that came out. Here's the old switch. Didn't lose this screw. So now we got the new switch right here, which hopefully is going to be long enough. We're going to find out if it can make it all the way up there. Yes, it will make it. Good job. Alright, so stick the switch from up top down in the same spot. So there's our switch. Now we just gotta get the screws back in there. Now we gotta try to find that one screw that fell down in the hole. Let's see if my little magnetic wand will work here. No. Alright, let's see what happens if I open the door a little bit. I can see the screw. Alright, there it is. Oh, just need a magnetic screwdriver, maybe we can get it out. Oh, site plan operation. There we go. We got the screw back. Alright, let's see if we can find the holes to put this back in. Get them lined up. I'm going to look up top here. Put this one up through the hole. And screw it in. Alright, that one started. Let's do the next one. Get these nice and tight. Oh. Alright, one's tight. The second one going. Alright, switch is on there, switch is tight. Close the door. Look at that. Alright, so now we're going to take this back off here. I'm going to close the lid back down. Alright, so the lid's closed back down. Now I got to put these other two screws back in. Over here. Oh, we can test the theory. Let's see if it works. I'm going to start it. Oh, look at that. It works. Open the door. Ah, new switch. That's all you need. This washer's been, or dryer's been around for a long time. And it still works like a champ. $7 to fix it. It's well worth it. Put your two top screws back in. Did pretty good. I don't know how long it's been, but simple operation. Alright, we got the screen clean now. Look at that. Put it back in. And there you go. That's how you change your door switch in a Whirlpool or probably 50 other brand friggin' washing machine or dryers. So there's your first 360 video of how to change a switch in a dryer. So enjoy this crazy 360 video. I can't wait to see it myself. Have a good day. And remember to use your damn turn signals.
Please subscribe to Dakram Studios to see more of our cool videos.